Okay, ready. Halibalcom brothers! Let's go! Let's get over there!
Yeah, let's get into some shit.
No can do.
So how can you tell who the fuck's your teammate in this? Just curious.
Hardcore you can.
Yeah, that's the hard thing.
You have to just pay attention to clothing and check your target.
Alright, well...
And not stand directly in front of your teammate.
Yeah.
That also is a big one.
Well, let's definitely keep comms open, okay?
I wish we had an observer. Well, somebody's down.
Oh, man down. Jesus, that was quick, bro.
Also, can't hear you if you're dead, by the way.
Enemy killed! Cover me! Cover me!
We have friendlies on the bridge, don't shoot them.
Okay, okay.
I'll go downstairs. You guys are upstairs?
Hey! Hey! I'm at Alpha!
I got contact down here.
My bad.
Friendly coming through the door.
Fuck! Someone's down!
Oh shit. Right there at the door. Reloading.
Loading! Over there! They're coming!
They're upstairs, they're upstairs.
I have to reload!
It's just me and you, right?
For that guy, yeah. For the guy that I killed, dude, you ran around the corner so quickly, you scared the shit out of me.
Upstairs is clear.
Yes.
We've taken Alpha! Okay! Here comes more! We're losing Alpha! Huwag kayo yakin at reload!
Don't attack teammates. We secured it. We're good here.
I'm over here! I'm okay!
Fine. Hey, we should move.
Might be. Sorry.
I'm in front of the building.
Reloading!
Next to the smoke. Top of the building.
Stand wait! Hang on!
Cover fire. I'm gonna grab him
He's
right
in the
across the street.
doorway too.
Running out. I'm on the left hand flank.
Watch right, watch right.
Right there, straight ahead, straight ahead. Moving left. Flank. Frag out. Upstairs.
Get down on the ground! Now!
Let's move.
Okay! Grenade out!
Jesus.
I got a grenade too.
What a mess!
Upstairs. To the left.
Brother!
Where was that?
We have enemy west!
I put down an explosive!
Oh, you're good.
Roger! Hey! Enemy south!
Got them! Dead!
No problem. Hey! Enemy south!
Oh shit, my bad, my bad.
They're south!
Come!
We're getting messed up on the right hand side.
Shit! Shit!
Throwing a frag in the alley.
Grenade out!
Watch it.
What the
Oh,
hell
fuck,
are you
my bad,
doing,
my
you
bad, my bad.
mughaffal?
Scared the fuck out of me.
Wait, hang on!
I need backup!
That's. Oh, you shot a teammate. you killed the teammate.
Negative.
Hey! Where is everyone? Securing Charlie!
Whoa, hey!
Look!
We took Charlie. Great.
Good job, man.
Oh fuck. It's me right here. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Friendly, friendly.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I tried to take it nice and slow for you guys, so that way I could survive.
That's southeast! That's southeast!
Okay, reloading.
That's southeast! Wait, I'm up! That's southeast! Get down! Get down!
There's just 3 of us, boys. I got 2. If you guys see M4 ammo, I need some. I don't like this. Yeah, move this way, to the right. There's an upstairs right here, I'm going up. Okay, go Captain Point.
My bad, my bad. I didn't know that was you.
Let's go Captain. Oh, fuck. So, stupid bathrooms.
This will explode! Watch
Shit's
out!
gonna blow! Get the fuck back!
Careful up at this hole. It's clear.
They're north!
North.
Yeah, they're on the other side of that building right in front of you.
I got some grenades.
Smoke! We need smoke! Enemies northwest, shoot them! Right there! Enemy northwest!
Hey, hey, come on! I need help!
Enemy! I need to load.
That's why we close doors, gentlemen.
Watch me! I'm reloading!
Blasted Foxtrot! Good!
Wait! Hey! Let it go to attack!
Anyone injured? I'm hit, but I can fight!
Gotta defend. Oh shit! Defend this location.
They're taking Foxtrot!
Get that door out. Watch this one. You got it?
Yep.
Affirmative!
Stairs.
They're
45 seconds.
واحد مننا
He's
اتضرب!
dead downstairs.
Yeah, I'm watching this door. Nothing coming through yet. grenade went off on my door.
Get down on the ground! Hands up! Drop your weapon! I'm not afraid of you! Yeah, okay. Down on the ground now! You just you majnoon!
Oh, fuck.
Still there?
I'm dead.
That's freezing! Hey, over here! You're surrounded, you know!
Keep up!
Sure! That's enemy! Give up!
This motherfucker. This guy gets a grenade launcher.
Do you really want to die out
Or,
here?
bazooka.
Okay!
Yeah, okay.
I saw what he did.
Get down on the ground!
Fuck you, motherfucker! Go, go, go! Hey, over here!
Hey, hey, drop your weapon!
You see what tactic he's using?
Inshallah! You should run!
Ooh, the last guy's not.
Do you really want to die out here?
He's not giving up his location.
You should run!
Oh,
What a fuck.
dick. You were trying to call him out too. That sucks.
Nah, I was trying to like actually kick that door in and it didn't fucking work the first time.